have for you a dozen rice cooker. It comes with this pot on the inside. It has the cups and the quarts of the rice and whatever you're going to put inside engraved on the side. It's digital. It simmers. There's also a porridge button, a warm button to keep your food warm, an instruction manual, a little spoon to scrape your rice out when you're all finished. Here it is, the dozen rice cooker. It also cooks porridge. It can simmer and keep your food warm. I have some rice here pre-measured and some water. It can hold up to 4 cups of white rice or 3 cups of brown rice. So let's get this rice in here. It's a 1 to 1.5 ratio. So for every cup of rice, you're gonna have 1.5 cups of water. There's a pre-measuring cup that comes with it right here, but I already pre-measured and just filled my cups up with it. Okay. Shut the lid. We have it on rice and it just starts. And I'll be right back when it's finished. The rice cooker has stopped, so we're gonna go ahead and look inside, see how it came out. It came out perfect. The dozen rice cooker. Trying to get this deal.